Hey guys, welcome to this video again. I'm testing out the using a different format right here, but I want to go ahead and show you guys how to do logs on this format here. Okay, so let's go do like maybe log of base 2 8 is equal to what? Okay, in order to do this, what you need to do is you need to convert. Log is an inverse function, meaning, let's go over this. This is saying basically what this is saying is 2 of what is equal to 8. Now think about it for a moment. So you have 2, let's call this what x. Change the 8 into 2 to the third power. So when I cancel that out, I get x is equal to 3. So the answer for that is going to be 3. Okay. Let's do another one. Okay. How about when you have something like this, log of 100 is equal to something. Okay. Now notice there's nothing in the base. If there's nothing in the base, there's an invisible 10 there. This is called common log. Okay. So this is a definition. I'm gonna highlight this one because it happens so commonly. Pun was intended on that one. Okay, so when you look at this now, we're gonna convert this into 10 to something, which is a box, is gonna equal 100. So when you look at this, 10 to something is equal to, well, 100 is 10 to the second power, right? So these two cancel out, and something, which is, we're gonna call it x again. Okay, let me erase that right there. We're gonna call that x unknown as x, so x is gonna equal 2. So that's our answer right over here. Okay. All right. Well, maybe we could squeeze in one more. If it's let's go do one more right here. Let's do one where it's kind of weird, like 2 right here, and then we'll call that uh, let's call this 1. 1. Okay. This is something that students have problem with. Okay, let's convert this again. 2 to the what power is going to be 1. Now, only answer that's possible is if you look at this, the x value, this unknown, has to be what? Well, 2 to the 1 is 2, 2 to the second is 4. Number is getting bigger and bigger. How about 2 to 0? Well, 2 to 0 is going to be 1. So the answer is 0, right? 2 to the 0 power is 1. So the answer is going to be 0. Okay. Well, maybe we could squeeze in one more. Um, log of uh, it's 0 now. How about that one? Well, let's convert this again. 2 to something is equal to 0. Now, when you try this, right? And you try it, you notice that 2 to 1 is going to be 2. 2 to 0 is going to be 1. How about 2 to negative 1? Well, 2 to negative 1, okay, is not a negative value. 2 to negative 1, okay, if you go back to your exponent, it's going to be 1 divided by 2. Okay, another one. 2 to negative 2 is 1 divided by 4. So notice that numbers are still positive even though the exponent becomes -2, -3, -4, and etc. So this is not possible because it violates the domain restriction. Therefore, the answer for this is going to be undefined. Okay, or some books you might see as on a calculator, you might see it as NN, or you might even see it as this. Okay, these are the various other symbols that are used. So I hope this was a good review of logs, and yeah, give it a more practice on it, and you get the hang of it. So I'll see you in the next video.